So let's use our quadratic formula when we have real solutions. So we have x squared plus 6x is equal to 3. It does help to get all of your terms on one side. So let's just do that real quick. And this is essentially 1 times x for our a, and then this will be 6 will be b, and then -3 will be c. And we can take all these numbers, plug them into this equation that we have up here, and we should be able to get a solution. So let's go ahead and plug this into our equation. We have x is equal to, and we have -b, so we have our b is 6, so -6 plus or minus the square root, of b squared will be 6 squared, so 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and then our c is -3, all divided by 2 times, and then our a is just 1. And make sure to be careful with your signs sometimes when carrying it over. So for example, our c is actually -3, not just 3, so just make sure to check your signs when plugging it into the formula. Alright, let's see if we can further reduce anything here. We can say -6 divided by 2 plus or minus, and then 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 1 times -3. And be careful here, this is a -4, and then we also have a negative, so this is going to turn into a positive. So writing this out, we'll just say -3 plus or minus 36 plus 12, which will give us 48, divided by 2. And then reducing our 48, we'll have 24, and we'll have a 2. Let's see, 6, 4, 2, 2, and then 3 and 2. So we have a pair here, and we have a pair there. And then we have the 3 left over, which will stay underneath the square root. So finally, we will have x is equal to -3. And then we'll have 2 and 2. So that can come out, which will be a 4. 4, and then square root of 3 stays under, divided by 2. This will give us our final answer of -3 plus or minus 2 square root of 3.